Saving with Shay, and I am here for my midweek. Listen, y'all, I woke up to a low this week. A low. A new freaking low. I haven't been this weight since before I had Josiah, y'all. And he about to be 9. And it's been closer to probably like 10 years since I've been 135. But I woke up to 135. So freaking stoked about that. If y'all follow me on my fitness channel, you know I started at 168 and here we are at 135. So I'm so stoked about that. Like you don't even know. It's been awesome. It's been so freaking awesome. It took me 8 months. You know, it seems like kind of long for me because usually I can drop weight pretty fast. But I don't care, y'all. Slow and steady wins the race, so I ain't tripping. I'm happy about that. But with that being said, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. Y'all, real quick, come closer. Please excuse this. It's that time, and my years of that time are numbered. Real, come close, We homies, right? Listen, I see y'all. I see y'all in the comments. I see y'all watching. What I need to see is the thumbs up more. So help a girl out. Hook a girl up with the like button. So I need 18 offers, y'all. Listen, I don't know if it's gonna happen. I don't know. It probably won't happen. I'm not gonna force it. If it do, it do. If it don't, it don't. Y'all know. I'm not so much into chasing bonuses. I chase the money. Wherever the money's at, I'm there, y'all. I don't chase bonuses. I chase money. So whatever's making me money, I'm gonna do. I don't care if it's something I don't eat. I don't care if it's something I don't use. If it's a moneymaker, I'm gonna get it, right? And so, I hope I can make this work. If I do, I do. If I don't know. I did mention to you guys that ShopMium is merging. Rumor has it they're merging with Checkout 51, right? Only thing is that I'm afraid that they're gonna merge and we ain't gonna have ShopMium, which it hasn't been too bad anyways. I mean, it's not gonna be hard for us to lose ShopMium because they've been super whack lately anyways. Like they barely post up any new offers. We get poise. They want us to buy the poise, so we be getting the poise, and so it wouldn't hurt too much losing them now because I haven't really been using them, right? Like the last several times was poise. Like dead ass. 4 out of 5 last times was poise. But only thing is I'm worried that when they merge and we finally don't have ShopMium anymore, that Checkout 51 won't have as many offers. And the offers tend to go really fast, right? The popular ones. And so that's the only thing I'm like, okay, well, how's that gonna play out? So I don't really know, but of course this intro is super long, and so we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesomeness that we can get. If you wanna see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Beneful in Credit Bites, priced at $2.74. Now the Shopkick offer for me, this one didn't scan, so I went ahead and grabbed the Tuscan one. Price at $2.74, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also a total of 970 buy and scan kicks, which is $3.88 on Shopkick. And then I also have 50 cents on Swagbucks as well as Checkout 51, making this a $2.64 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Purcell. I think this is a pretty decent deal, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. We're gonna grab the Ultra Packs, the 42 count right here, priced at $11.47. I'll be using one of these two hang tags rather that I got last time that I was here. That's gonna bring the total down to paying $9.47 out of pocket. I'll get back 4 on Ibotta, and then I'll get back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80. It'll make that $3.67. And then I'm gonna also grab a pack of the, what is this, the 16 count. They're priced at $4.77, again, using the same $2 hang tag. I'll pay $2.77 on a pocket. I'll get back $1 on Ibotta. There's $1.50 in kicks on Shopkick, which is 60 cents, making that $1.17. Now, I do have an offer on Fetch Reward that is spend 25, get back 2. So I'll be able to hit that with these. Making them only $1.42 each, which I think is a pretty awesome price. All right, so this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean. They are priced at $11.98. As you can see, they all have $2 pillies on them. So for this, if you want to grab one of each, the total is going to come to $23.96. Use 2 of the peelies. You'll pay $19.96 at a pocket. You'll get back $4 for each one on Ibotta, 2 separate offers. And you'll get back $5 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, bringing these down to only $3.48 each. All right, next up is the Febreze plug. They are priced at $3.42. Grabbing one of them, you'll be getting back $3.30 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 12 cents. Now, I'm going to be doing this offer for Walmart Rewards as well. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on the Febreze Air Effects. They are priced at $3.24, getting back $2 on Ibotta, bringing that down to $1.24. Okay, so this next deal is on the Dawn Power Wash. Now, for this, you can either get the regular bottle or the refill. The refill one is priced at $3.94. You want to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $7.88, getting back $3.99 on Ibotta, bringing them down to $1.94 each. All right, so this next deal is on the Clorox Sentiva. It's priced at $2.68. Now, it's a new month, so we have this offer again on the sister apps, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada. So for this, I'm grabbing them in sets of 4. They're priced at $2.68. You'll pay $10.72 out of pocket, get back $8 on Swagbucks, bringing them down to 68 cents each. And so, yeah, definitely not a bad deal. I went ahead and grabbed it on Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Tada. So next up is the Curad bandages. They're priced at $3.12. I'm getting back 675 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.70, making them only 42 cents each. All right, guys. So we're over in the travel section. This one's kind of empty. I don't see any of the Old Spice deodorants, but the first deal is on the Old Spice deodorant. It's priced at $154. For this, you're grabbing 3. You'll pay $4.62. There's an offer on Ibotta for $5 when you buy 3. Now, it's also glitching with another offer that's buy 1, get back 1 with a limit of 2. So we'll get back a total of 7, making all 3 free plus a $2.38 moneymaker. Okay, we also have an offer for the Febreze again. It's priced at $197. Getting back $2.30 on Ibotta makes it a 33-cent moneymaker. For this deal, actually all of these little deals, I'm doing them for Walmart Rewards as well. And the other thing that we're grabbing over here is the Crest mouthwash. I heard that it works on this one as well. One of you guys let me know that in the comments of my last video. So for this, you're going to grab 3 of them, priced at $2.12. The total is going to come to $6.36, and you're going to get back $5 for buying 3 on Ibotta, bringing them down to only 45 cents each. Last thing I'm going to grab over here is on the Tresemme shampoo conditioner. These are priced at $2.12. They are working for the Ibotta offer as of right now, and it did reset for me, so I'm going to do it a second time for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. And so you're grabbing 3 of them, priced at $2.12. That total is going to come to $6.36. Now we do have a bonus for buying 2. And so we're going to be getting back an extra $1. So we'll get back a total of 7, making all 3 of them free plus a 64-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is on the gum soft picks. They are priced at $2.96 for the 50 count. We're going to be getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Checkout 51, and $1 on Swagbucks, making that a 4-cent money. Guys, so this next deal is on the soft soap. It's on the fall scents. They are priced at $106. And for this, you want to grab a total of 3 of them. You'll end up paying $3.18, getting back $2.25 on Swagbucks, making them 31 cents each. This next deal is on the Nature's Bounty Zinc. Does any of you guys stores do this? They categorize them like in alphabetical order. Like, I prefer it to be separate. Like, Nature Bounty should all be by Nature Bounty. Nature Made should all be by Nature Made. But I had the hardest time finding this. So it's on the zinc. All right, it's Nature's Bounty, priced at $7.96, getting back $5 on Ibotta. There's also a 10-cent vitamin offer that it's working for as well, so $5.10 there. And then I have $1.50 on Checkout 51 and $1.50 on Swagbucks.
making this a 14-cent moneymaker.
And of course, we're grabbing the Pinkie Pads again, priced at $8.98. One of you guys asked me, have I sold any of these yet on offer? I actually only sold one set so far. But anyways, they're priced at $8.98. Doing this deal on repeat. We're gonna grab 2 of them. We will end up paying $17.96 out of pocket, getting back $8.98 through aisles, and then $4.50 for each one I bought up, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Right, so this last deal is gonna be on the poise. Like, what's the haul without poise, right? They're priced at $5.97. We're gonna be grabbing the 30 count here. And for this, we're getting back $2 on Ibotta. We'll also get back $3 on Shopmium and $3 on Swagbucks, making this a $2.03 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. Excuse Josiah over there playing this game. So you hear the clicking, you know what it is. So I didn't mention the 7 days in the video. One of you guys actually hit me up and let me know about this deal. It's at 7-Eleven. At actually a lot of the convenience stores. So it was at Shell and 7-Eleven. And the location I went to was a Shell. It was a Shell 7-Eleven. So I submitted the receipt for 7-Eleven and it only picked up 3 of them. So I don't know which ones it picked up. I don't know which one it was. So I had to put a ticket in. So they owe me $2 as of right now. But those are $1. Now in store they were priced at $2.79, but they scanned for $1. So I grabbed 5 and you get back $1 for each one. So I made those free. I think that's the only thing I didn't mention. I did the Benefold twice. So once my first receipt goes through, well, it said no item found. So I went ahead and submitted the second receipt. So I'll let you guys know how that plays out. But I figured, let me see if I can do it twice. I did soft soap twice. The Tresemme reset on both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta twice. It actually reset again today, so I might do it tomorrow morning for both again, which would be really, really cool. And then of course Crest and Old Spice we did on Walmart Reward and Ibotta as well as the Febreze plug and the Febreze fabric to go. Now with the per sale, really quick. I didn't actually meet the requirement to get back the $2 on that, so I'm still short. So I may go buy another bag. I'm not really sure yet. So that ended up costing me a little bit more than I wanted it to. But overall, this haul was a small moneymaker, so I'm not complaining. All right, and so I'm gonna try to make this quick. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? All the Clorox went straight through, but I'm pretty sure as of right now that deal might be dead. Although I still have it on inbox dollars for $3 back. Everything you see here retails $161.39. I had $4 in coupons, which is on the per sale scan, perfectly fine. Brought the out of pocket down to $157.39, and then we walk away with $68.20 for my Ibotta. Walmart Rewards is $27.60. Swagbucks is $16.25. Shopkick is should be $12.78. My Points $10.96. Aisles is $8.98. Tada was $8. Checkout 51 is $3.50 between 2 accounts. And then last but not least is Shopmium for $3 for the poise, which last time my poise took like 5 days, so I don't know how long that's gonna take. And so we walk away with a total of $159.29 back in rebates, making everything you see here free plus $1.90 moneymaker. My sales tax was $9.49, so after tax, this nets us at $7.57. All right, but really quick. So with Ibotta, so my last haul, I didn't hit my weekend, but I did the Tresemme, and that allowed me to hit that bonus of $1. So I did add that. With the Dove popping up on Ibotta, I submitted the receipt. I had to put a ticket in. And I got back $4 for that, so I went ahead and added that within this haul as well. And so other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to add. If you get to the end of the video, I want to see star emojis in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. As always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.